drink ready. I'm gonna try to talk to y'all a little bit of why I think the H is a really great suited platform to challenge K series. A lot of people, for some reason, always put K versus B, but to me, in my opinion, out of the box, stock motor, the H versus the K is a better matchup. Like, just period. The only way a B series is gonna fight a K is if it's worked over. But anyway, as you can tell, my throat is kind of fucked up. I'm a little bit like a little sore throat going on, but yeah, I want to get this video done because there is a hurricane, and today is Wednesday, so it's like almost to hit Florida today, and it's headed straight for us. So I don't know how much content I'm able to get done over like the weekend and stuff, so I'm trying to get stuff done today, and tomorrow is like the last 2 days we have this. The sun's gonna be out, and Friday all the way through Sunday it's supposed to be like a lot of rain and whatnot, so not too sure how much content we're gonna be able to create then. But yeah, guys, I figured try the H to B today, enjoy it a little bit. Guys, the H motor has been around for a long time now, and it's pretty much always been the big block of the Honda world. That's why it's a better contender for the K series stuff. The B series stuff is just, it's not enough displacement, guys, to make like the torque that you need. Like right now, my H to B is making the same amount of torque that a strong like B20V or maybe even like a GSR, I don't know, but yeah, a good GSR motor would make horsepower wise to the wheels. Like, that's how much torque I'm making. Like, that's what make it such a great contender as far as like running with Ks and stuff. And that's why I think my car does as decent as it does. Do I think I can beat every K? No. Do I like Ks? Yes, I love Ks. I just talk my shit because I know it pisses people off. Like, for some reason, K people get way more butthurt than any other engine setup in Hondas. I don't know why, but yeah, for some reason, guys, K people really get butthurt when you say fuck K ain't the way, all of that stuff. They really get like hurt and in their feelings, so it's kind of funny to me. So I'm back at the house, And guys, I don't know why this wheel is just not feeling right. And I'm not sure what's going on there, but yeah, it's really weird. Just for the fuck of it, I'm gonna try to tighten the lugs and see if that does something. I don't know why it's always felt. It might be, maybe it's a wheel bearing, I don't know. But it's got play in it, and I could have sworn that I did both wheel bearings, but I might have just done one. So I'm gonna see if I can tighten it up any and see if that'll help it. But yeah, I don't know. It's just got a little play, and it's making a really strong vibration noise now. So I'm thinking it might just be the wheel bearing, but I just want to make sure the tire ain't about to fall off. Fast forward to the next day. It is now Thursday, and I'm on the way to the house. There's a hurricane, well, now tropical storm coming through, so we got to get a little groceries and stuff. You know how the house situations are. My girl, yeah. Pieces of tobacco all in the highway, but that's that country shit. Yeah, guys, the H to B, I was trying to do a video on why I feel the H is the best contender for the K series. Now, a lot of people again are saying that the B series is a better fight, but I just, motor for motor, man, you can't beat the raw torque of that H23. The H22 is pretty decent too, but I was trying to tell Booster John that red top H is not gonna make the torque that blue top H23 makes, and the torque is really what you want. Now, the H22 will rev out better because, you know, shorter rides and stuff, it'll turn a little bit better on the top end, but that 23, guys, if you did cams, valve springs, and retainers, you could definitely get more out of it on the top end. My thing is, like with my H to B, the reason why it's such a beast, and for some reason, guys, everybody just does not believe that car is that quick. The reason is because my car makes literally like 180 foot-pounds of torque at like 4,000 RPM. So that is moving for a 2,400 pound car. That is freaking moving. And that's how it's able to sneak up. And then I have the shortest gear transmission, which it sucks as far as cruising and stuff goes, but the fastest I've been on that car is about 150. And at 150, guys, we're talking we're talking like 6,500 RPM, 7,000 RPM at 150 in 5th gear. So like that's almost maxed out. So yeah, it's geared short, and that's what makes it such a beast against like fighting other cars and stuff. Even though my gearing is shorter, if you watch the video where I raced the green EK with the K20 in it, you can tell because it was a K20, you can see that he had longer, like he could hold his gear longer because he was revving to like, I think 86, 8,800, and I can only rev to 78 before my shit it'll really drop off, and then I hit red line at 8. So when I raced him, if you notice, I did not shoot a flame or pop one time. I was on it. Like every time, 78, 78, 78, I was banging gears because I knew if I lost my momentum, he would come back. And that shit worked. So I was just barely able to edge back around him every time. Now, K24, it'd be a closer fight. He wouldn't be able to rev as high as that K20, so both of us would have to shift earlier, and he would make more torque. So yeah, I think it would be a pretty good fight. I still think the K24 would probably beat me, but guys, again, I don't want people to think I hate K's. I don't hate K's. I'm just saying, coming from Accords, I'm an H guy, and to me, it makes no sense for me to spend a ton of money. They don't make really good drop-in kits for Accords for a K series, so it don't make sense to spend all that money trying to put a K in an Accord when I can just, like this thing, man, I literally turboed this F23 and we made 326 foot-pounds of torque. Stock motor, completely stock motor. And yeah, it's just not, the money just ain't there for me to do that right now. But I do want a 4-door. It's got to be a 4-door EK 96 to 2000, preferably 96, 97, but 96 to 2000 4-door EK. I do want one, and that is what I plan on putting a K series in. And I do plan on turboing it off the rip. I'm not trying to drive an all-motor K. I really want to make like 450 on a Accord K24, whatever, ZA, whatever the Accord boring unit is. I really want to get one of those because I still know that they'll make over 400 stop and just turbo that and yeah, have a fun K car so everyone will be quiet. My problem I'm having is everybody tells me what to do, but nobody likes the videos. Like, I don't even be trying to sell stuff. I hate trying to sell stuff because people not gonna buy it. I don't be trying to make you guys do anything that costs money, like the premium YouTube stuff and all that. I don't try to do none of that. I just want you guys to click the like button for me. If we could just get up to 1,000 likes on a video, that would make it recommended and the channel could like really see some gain from it. But you know, it's just people don't like the video. I mean, that's all I be asking for. And then the same thing, everybody was like, turbo a car, turbo a car. I turboed this car, and when I do videos on it, you know, it gets decent likes. You know, I'm very humble, so 200 likes is good to me. But it'd be nice though if we get 3,000-4,000 views to get closer to that 1,000 likes. I mean, all you have to do is click the like button. So yeah, it is what it is. But with the K, I have no issues with you. I I love all the Honda platforms. I just hate that people keep comparing K and B. And in my opinion, bro, the fucking H is that GOAT, bro. That's the one that's gonna fuck with your K. And you can like hearing that or you can not like hearing that, but at the end of the day, man, for what I spent on my H2B, yeah, stuff is going up now, but for what I spent on my H2B, I'm not mad at it, man. That thing has been an absolute blast to drive. I'm so glad I finally bought a Civic platform. Even though, guys, I'm always gonna keep them Accords. I'm gonna stay Accord fam. So if you found this channel from the Accords, don't worry, we're gonna stick around for those. But you know, I'm still gonna play with the Civic because that's just fun too. I don't care as much about the Civic as I do the Accord, so I do a little bit more crazier stuff with the Civic. Like, I've never cut a car, but I cut my Civic like instantly. So yeah, it's just a little less care on the Civic side. But anyways, guys, I'm gonna wrap this video up. I may get another pull in or two, but with that being said, man, I hope all my Florida guys are safe in that storm. It'll be over with by the time you're watching this, but I hope you guys are safe, and everybody else in the world, hope y'all are safe. I will catch y'all next time. Remember, respect all bills. Peace out.